Hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Dhruval Patel, and today I'm very much excited to show one of my main project, one of the good project of mine, AutoFlow. AutoFlow is basically automation platform. It is similar to the Anytime. It is basically a platform where users can set their progress or set their process automate. So they instead of doing something manually, users are able to do it automatically. So for example, if we have multiple accounts, and like if we want to send multiple messages to multiple accounts, and we are not able to do it manually, so instead of that we are able to use the automation platform for automating that thing. So this is basic example of why the automation platform are used. This is the automation platform which I built, and I proudly say that it is a end-to-end SaaS application. It is basically a perfect production-ready application. I can deploy this and can start by earning this platform. So it is that much perfect and professional for production. So it shows that how I'm ready for the production ready application. So I am able to work with the production application. So it shows that skill of mine. So yeah, this is the AutoFlow. Now let's, instead of going through theory part, let's move to the practical part, so that we are able to more clear. We will be more clear with this application. So yeah, let's move to this is the home page. Instead before going to the home page, let me log out myself and show you the login page. So this is the login page, a welcome message with the login. We have to log in, like we are able to log in with three options. One is email and password, second one is with a GitHub, and third one is Google. So we are able to log in ourselves using these three methods, and all of them are working. And if we do not have an account, we have to sign up ourselves. We are able to create the account by entering name, email ID, and password, or we are able to directly sign up or directly create the account with GitHub or Google. So right now I do have one account, so let me log in myself, and I'll log in with the Google so that I can show you that that feature is working. So yeah, let me log in with the Google, and yeah, I do have this account, so let me go with this account right now. And by the way, just for video purpose, I'm using the localhost URL. I will share the deploy link with you, so that you guys can also use this platform for your automation task. So yeah, this is it. This is the home page of my application. I This is the sidebar. Like we can do this as well, and it have a good, simple and smooth animation, which makes it look better, and it makes the user experience more better. So yeah, that is there. We Let me go through the home page. Let me go to the all section of the home page, so that I can show you the each and every section. So right now it is AutoFlow. This is the home page. This is the sidebar. In sidebar we have app name, AutoFlow. Then we have workflows. Then we have a credential section, in which we can set the credentials, and then executions. It is basically a history of our executions, and yeah, that is there. And then we have dealing portal. So if we want to use this, we have to pay something for that. Like right now I'm making it free for everyone, just for use, like just you guys can use it. And yeah, right now subscription, I do have autopilot. So view subscription, I do have subscription, so I can check it, like it is active, and I have a $19.99 per month subscription, and I subscribed it on the 15th Jan, and it is available till 15th Feb to 2026. So basically, I take the 1 month plan with the $19.99. So I am able to see that. So if we do not have any plan, we are able to get the section to pay some amount to like pay the 19.99 for using this application. And as I'm already take the like I already pay that amount, I am getting the billing portal so that I can see my current subscription which are available right now. So that is there. Then the toggle theme button, I am able to switch between light and dark theme. This is the dark theme, this is the light theme. So I personally believe light theme is better, so I'm gonna go through this light theme, and we are able to log out ourselves. So yeah, this is what the basic sidebar look like. Now let's move to the workflows. So in the workflows, we have workflows, and we are able to create the new workflows using this button. We are able to search the workflows as well. So let me write anything. Because the same workflow with this information is not present there, so we are getting that no item is there. We are able to directly add the item here, or if we search for testing, then we are able to see the result, match result with this search bar. So yeah, that is there. Then this is the workflows. We will see the workflows here, and yeah, we are able to see the workflows. If we create the workflow, we are able to see that same workflow here as well. So this is there, and these are the number of pages we have. So like this is the pagination. I add pagination for that. So if like right now, because we have only one workflow, and we only have one page, so right now it is showing page 1 of 1. If we get like if we add multiple pages, then we are able to see that as well here. So this is what the workflows basic overview look like. Now let's move to the credentials part. So in the credentials, we are able to set the credentials. So like basically, let me show you the example. If we click on the new credential, we are able to set the credential. So now we are able to set the credential here. So we have to put the name of this credential, what we want to add as, and we are able to set the method like with the OpenAI, Anthropic, and Gemini, what credential we want to set. So we have to select here from here. So we are able to set that credential here, and then we have to paste that API key. So if we select OpenAI, then we have to paste the OpenAI API key here, and then we will create this credential. But right now we do not have any name and API key. We are not able to create it. So both are required. But let me cancel this and let me show you the example which I already created. So I created the Gemini credential. Let me show you. So basically, we are able to delete this credential by this, and we are able to open the credential by clicking on the credential, and we see the edit credential page in which we are able to edit the credential. So if we want to change the name, we are able to change it. If we want to change the method, then we are also able to change it, and we also able to change the API key. Right now I'm using this API key. This is a working API key which I already took from the Gemini console or Gemini API key. It is the same API key, so I'm using that, and let me update it. So yeah, credential is saved. Now the same credential I am able to see here. Now if we add any different credential, we will see that credential here, and we are able to use this credential in our workflow. I'll show you that. But yeah, it is what it is right now. We are able to delete this as well, but let me use this credential for the upcoming workflow. So that is there. And the execution part, executions, we have history. So I was testing, so that is why all of them are failed. Let me show you the success if any I have any. So yeah, I have success as well. So yeah, we will see this in the execution history. So I deleted the unnecessary execution history so that I can manage it. And yeah, that is there. And I already done with this three options. We are already done with this three options. So we can now move to the workflows. Now let's move to the workflows. And by the way, I'm using the like PostgreSQL for this database for this application, and I'm using Neon for the like cloud PostgreSQL, and using Prisma ORM so that communicate with the between application and the database. I'm using Prisma for that, and yeah, so Prisma is there for that, and I'm using ingest for a real-time application, like a real-time backend. So I'll show you that. So once we execute the workflow, we are able to see that status in the real time. So ingest do that thing, like we are using the ingest for that. So we'll see the ingest work once we are ready with the workflow. So let me go through the workflow first. So we are able to create the new workflow. Let me create the workflow. So after the creation of workflow, we are able to see that created workflow here. So if we want to delete it, we are able to delete that from there as well. And if we want to change the name, we just need to select this name of this, and then we are able to change the name. Let me give it the testing. So we are able to change the name, and it is changed. So yeah, that is there. Now this is what a workflow page look like. It is basically a good looking, a simple, good looking, better user experience canvas for this section. I use this for that, and in the dark theme it looks like this, and it also look pretty good in the dark theme, but I like more in the light theme, so I'll go with the light theme. And then we have one section here. We can add the node here. So if we press here, we are able to see the multiple nodes which are available in this application. So let's go with the each and every one. So firstly, we have trigger manual. So it basically means this is the node. When let me add this. So once we add it, what it is, so let me show you. So this is the manual trigger, configured setting for the manual trigger node, and used for manually executing the workflow. No configuration available. So what it is, so it is basically a node, a starting node. So if we have a node and we want to execute multiple workflow, so how we know that when we want to execute? So if we want to execute the flow on click, then we have to use this. So if we have this, then we are able to execute the workflow by this button. If we press this button, we are able to execute this workflow from here, and then it move to the next node. So yeah, that is there. Then a form node. This is a Google form. Like basically, this is the Google form. I set the instruction as well so that people are able to communicate, and people are able to basically use this without any other help. So yeah, this is the form. What is Google form? So it is basically if like we have a form, and if user fills the form, we want to perform some workflow, or we want to perform some thing, or we want to like execute some nodes. So based on this Google form submission, we are able to execute our workflow. So for example, with this web URL, and then like we have to copy this Google app script, and we have to paste it in the Google form. And when we create the Google form, we have to paste this script, and then we are good to go for this node. So once we are able to like we set this script, and once the user click or submit the same form, then this form will be executed automatically. So on the submission of the Google form, they are able to execute this form automatically. So this is there, and then we do have this stripe event. So it is basically for payments and all. So I also give the setup instruction so that user can do it manually, like user can do it automatically by without having any help from other. So this is that. So this is basically for a payment. Like for example, if we have any platform and we want to perform some task, like for example, if we have a payment from the user, we got the payment from the user, and then we have to pass the mail to the user that you have successfully submit, like you have successfully subscribed to our application. So for that we can use Stripe. So once the user payment like successful, the user payment successful will then this node will be executed, and then will move to the next node which is connected to this strip. So these are the three methods how the workflow will gonna start. So these are the three methods how the workflow will gonna start. Now we do have HTTP request. So what it is? It is basically get, post, put, or delete. Like we are able to get, post, put, patch, or delete. We have these methods available in the HTTP request. It is basically like we have to set the end URL here. So it basically gives like basically what it does. So if we have get method and we have any like for example this URL, then what it do, once the node HTTP request node will be executed, it will get the, like it will execute the get method and get the data from this URL. So it basically means it is automated work, like it do work automatic by just triggering this node. We are able to get, we are able to post, we are able to put, patch, or delete the something, like delete from this URL. So we are able to do that with this node as well. And yeah, we are able to connect this node, by the way. So if we connect this, then if we execute this, once it executed, this will move to the this step will execute automatically. We do not need to we do not need to call it manually or anything. So it will be executed by itself. So yeah, that is why we have this HTTP node, HTTP request node here. Then let's move to the next node, a Gemini. It is basically a AI for, like AI integration for our application, automatically. So we are able to set the variable name, we are able to credential. So this is the credential which we set here. So we already set the Gemini credential here. So we are able to use that in our application. So let's go to the testing. And we forgot to save this, so that is why it got deleted. So let me go through the Gemini. We'll go through the application first, and then we'll move to the practical part. Now this is the Gemini configuration. So here we have name of the Gemini. Like we have a variable name. So we'll set this variable name, and if we want to use another node which is connected to Gemini, we'll have to use that same name, same variable name to the next node. So make sure we enter the name which is like this name is same which is used in the next node. So it need to be same, and we are able to set the credentials. So Gemini credentials, we are able to directly configure that credential here. And yeah, this is a system prompt. So basically sets the behavior of the assistant, and like basically we are able to set the prompt, system prompt, which is optional by the way, but it is recommended to use this, like recommended to fill this section. Then we have a user prompt. So this is the user prompt, what like what basically means summarization of this commit. So yeah, so the prompt to send the this is the basically a prompt which will send to the Gemini, will send to the AI for a further task, further task. So this is the prompt which will be used by the AI. So we have to be careful with this prompt. So yeah, these are the fields for the Gemini node. So this is the Gemini node. Now with this plus icon, we are able to add the new node as well. So let me add the OpenAI. So this works almost same. Like it works same almost. It is perfectly same. We have option, like we are able, if we want to use Gemini, we are able to use Gemini. If we want to use OpenAI, we are able to use it. By the way, we do have two options. One is setting, which is for setting of this node, particular node, and we are able to delete it as well. So yeah, that is there. Then the OpenAI node, this work perfectly same as this. So I do not need to mention like summarize this. So this has same variable name, credential. Right now we do not have any credential for this OpenAI, so we are not able to select it. We have to set that credential in this credential section, and then we are able to use that credential here. And we have to set the system prompt and user prompt. These are the same which we discussed in this. So yeah, that is there. And now we are able to Anthropic. This works also same. Like we have to set the variable name, credential here. Again, we have to set the credential for this Anthropic in the credential section, and then we are able to use it here. And we have to set the system prompt, which is optional, and user prompt. So this is same. All of these are same. Like these are the options users can use. So yeah, all of are working same. So we are able to connect them each other, connect with each other as well. So yeah, this is it. And now let's move to the Discord. So Discord is basically Discord is basically we are using it for sending messages. So for example, we do have some output from the Gemini API, and we want to send that message or send that output to the some person, some people. So we are able to send it via Discord. So we are able to send the messages from Gemini, like the output from the Gemini will be sent to the persons automatically. We do not need to configure this. So if the Gemini step works perfect, it will send Discord will send that message to the Discord person. So that is what the Discord node work for. So for Discord configuration, we have to set the variable name. Then we have to use the web URL. Like this is the URL we have to set, so that it like we have to set this URL, and like for that how to get this URL. So I already mentioned it, so that it will be easy for user to find this URL. So we have to go to the channel setting, we have to integrations, and we have to go to the webhooks, and we'll get the webhook URL from there, and then we have to paste that URL here, so that we are able to integrate the Discord here. And then we have to set the message, like what message we want to pass to the user. It is the same message we want to pass to the user. So yeah, this is the message that will be passed to the user. So we have to make it according to that. So yeah, we are able to do it. And the board username, we are able to directly, like it is basically optional, but we are able to set the board username, so that like we send the message to the user, but user or like Discord person will see the message in this boat, and inside that boat we have this message. So this is what the Discord configuration look like. And then we have Slack work for same as the Discord. It is basically for message like sending messages or alerts to the user. So yeah, this works same. So we have to set the Slack URL, and we have to set the message which we want to pass to the user, and variable name for this node, particular node. So this is it. So yeah, these are the all nodes I do have right now in my application, and all of are working perfectly fine. So now we are able to, like if we are able, if we complete with this configuration, we have to save the changes. Otherwise the changes will be not like, we will not gonna get that information or get that flow. So save the workflow, we have to save it manually, and once it's saved, we are able to we are able to do anything we want. So yeah, this is what the workflow page look like. And I do have this small map here, so that we are able to see that if we miss something, if we are here and we are not able to see the workflow, where is workflow, where is nodes, so we are able to see that the nodes are here. So we are able to go to that section and we are able to see the nodes. So this is a small map for that. And yeah, this is it. And we are able to lock the lock everything, so we are not able to change or move anything, and so that we do not accidentally make some mistake, and so the application got stuck. So we have a lock button, and we are able to minimize or maximize, like uh, as per our need. And we are able to full screen, we are able to see the full screen as well. So yeah, this is what the basic workflow section look like. Now let me go through the this testing purpose, testing workflow. So this is the workflow which I just added to show you each pending, completed, and failed version of this workflow. So let me show you. This is the workflow in which I use this manual trigger, in which if we click on execute workflow, it will be executed. Then move to the next. Will move to the next section, which is HTTP request. In HTTP request, I have named test, and I use a get method for that. And the endpoint is basically, this is the sample data from Google, which is giving me to do of user ID 1. So to do ID 1. So yeah, this is what it is. And in the Gemini, let me remove all the thing. And basically this thing is not like I have set it. Let me give test right now. We do not need to. And let me give anything, so that it will be failed, and I wanted to show the failed state as well. So how the node will be failed, so that is why I'm giving this. And let me do this. And yeah, this is good to go. Let me execute it, and let me first save this, and then we'll execute this workflow. So let me execute the workflow. So after the clicking on workflow, execute workflow, we are able to see the blue screen, a blue loading screen. So it shows that this node is working right now. So that node is executing right now. So if the node is perfectly like work fine, then we'll see the green status. It shows that this workflow, this node is work perfectly. And move to the next node. This is also green, so the state of this node is green. So we are able to see that, understand that this is the workflow which is run perfectly. And then move to the next node, and we see the red border. So we are able to understand that in this workflow, why we are not getting the expected output. So basically we are able to run like the execution node is working perfectly. This HTTP request node is working perfectly, but there is a problem in Gemini. So we are able to go through the problem, and we are able to set that changes here. So this is what it basically looks like. And for the execution purpose, let me execute it again and show the real-time logs in the ingest, so that I can show you the real-time work in the ingest. So let me execute it. So after execution, we are able to see the running. So it is running. So we are able to see the each and every step of this application. And yeah, so everything works perfect till this, and we are able to we are getting the error in this stage. in which we are able to go through the each and every error of this application, of this execution. So where we get the error, we are able to see that from this ingest. So yeah, we are able to go through that and we are able to fix that solution, fix that problem. So yeah, and we are also able to use all of this perfectly, and all of them are working perfectly. So this is the perfect end-to-end automation platform. It shows my capability to build the perfect SaaS application, and I'm able to work with the perfect and complete a production ready platform in the real life. So yeah, this is the example of that capability of mine. So yeah, this is the full explanation of my work, AutoFlow platform. So if you find it interesting, let me give a suggestion of yours. Let me give the review of yours. I will be more than happy to receive the reviews and suggestion from you. So yeah, this is it. Thank you.